Okay, so we've just gone over formulas a little bit. Just show you the different ones that you can do. The actual answers are here on this one, to be honest, but I'm just going to do a little example here just to show you the different types. So for instance, to do a formula, I do equals. Always type that in. If I wanted to, I could add these two together. I know it's not the correct answer, it's multiplied. This is the actual answer. I'm just doing it as an example. So I can click on that one, press plus, and that just adds them two together. So it should be £73.40, which it is. If I wanted to, there's another symbol I can use. I can use the minus. So I can click on that one again, click on minus. So this would be 30 minus 5. So 25, press enter. There you go, 25. I can also use the divide. So equals, click on that one. Divide looks like that. It's just like a black backslash on it. So, and then click onto here. That's divide, and then the multiply we've done anyway. So I just wanted to show you those. Those are simple formulas. So the next bit to do on here is you want to work out the total amount of wages that the company, this is to do with a zoo, that they're spending on everyone. So how would I do? What would be the formula to put all these together to get my total wages? So the way to do it is, now this is the long way of doing it, and it's used in simple formulas. So I'll do it anyway. So I start a formula with equals as usual, click, and basically to work it all out you add them all together. So I'll click plus, click on the next one. Now if you think about this as being a big massive spreadsheet, this would take you absolutely ages to do all these. It's taken a little bit of time, but can you imagine if it was like you had hundreds of workers for your company? This would not be very effective. Nice and colourful though. So click plus, and I can add them all together. Okay, and if I press enter, it does add them. They're spending around about, well, spending £4,879 pounds and 40 pence on the wages in total there. Okay, so there is an easier way of doing this. This is an advanced formula. Simple ones just use these. Okay, that was a simple one that I just did. So I do equals, always do formulas with equals. Do sum. So sum is just a word that you use to add. Okay, you don't use it for anything else, you just use it to add them all together. So you do equals sum, you put in a word. So this is an advanced formula as if it's got a word in it. Open the bracket. Once you've opened the bracket, shift a 9. That's the bracket you want. You don't want the square one, you want the circular one. Once you've opened the bracket, you can just select them. So just select them all down, and then you can end the brackets if you want. I don't. I just press enter, and it does it a bit quicker for you and a bit easier.